Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbot's YouTube channel where we have been keeping you posted on the latest products from the tech industry. In one of our recent videos, we have compiled a list of best Nokia smartphones with selfie camera in India. In this video, we will be talking about the Vivo smartphones that have received a price hike in the Indian market due to the increased GST rates on smartphones. So without any further delays, let's quickly begin the list. Due to the increase in the rates of GST on smartphones, OEMs have refreshed the prices of smartphones and most of the devices now cost a bit more than their original prices. Vivo has also increased the prices of its smartphones. Here are the latest official prices of Vivo smartphones. Do note that these are the official prices and might vary a bit from platform to platform. The Vivo V17 with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage now costs Rs 24,990 and the smartphone has received an overall price hike of Rs 2,000. The Vivo V17 offers a quad camera setup with an AMOLED display and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Vivo S1 powered by the MediaTek Helio P65 SoC with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage used to cost Rs 15,990 and this model has also received a price hike of Rs 2,000 and now costs Rs 17,990. The Vivo S1 Pro powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC also offers a great set of cameras. This device with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage now retails for Rs 20,990 and the device price has been increased by Rs 2,000. The Vivo Y19 is also a mid-range smartphone with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. The smartphone has also received a price hike of Rs 1,000 and the device now costs Rs 14,990. The base model of the Vivo Y91i with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage is an entry-level smartphone with water drop notch and dual camera system. Will now cost you Rs 7,990 and the device used to cost Rs 6,990, confirming a total price hike of Rs 1,000. The Vivo Y15 powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage has received a total price hike of Rs 1,000 and the device now costs Rs 12,990 in India. The Vivo Y12 is also powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with 3GB RAM and 64GB storage and a massive 5000 mAh battery, have received a price hike of Rs 1000 and Rs 10,990 is the new retail price of this device. The Vivo Y11 powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 SoC with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage retails for Rs 9,990 and the device has received a total price increase of Rs 1,000 in India. That's all for now. For more technology related updates, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.